Hi, my name is Anbrid and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist and a holistic therapist, and I have been in the beauty skincare industry for 30 years. Today's video is all about Revive and Glow Vitamin C skincare line from RoC Skincare. I'm going to do a 101 demonstration of me using the cleanser, the serum and the moisturiser. I'm also going to do a review and absolutely everything you need to know about this gorgeous Vitamin C skincare line. What sets it apart from the rest? Well, watch more to find out. First of all, let's talk about the benefits of Vitamin C. What does it do for your skin? So it brightens the skin, it evens out the skin tone, hence it fades hyperpigmentation, it reduces redness, it reduces inflammation in the skin, it boosts collagen and elastin production, so it helps firm and tone the skin and keep us all youthful. And it gives you that beautiful glow. And also Vitamin C helps heal wounds, so it's actually good for acne too. What are antioxidants? Well, examples of antioxidants are important ones. It's Vitamin A, Vitamin C, Vitamin E, and they're considered the fountain of youth. So they protect your skin from free radicals. Now, what is free radicals? Free radicals are environmental pollution, tobacco smoke, UV exposure, etc, etc. And antioxidants help reduce pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, hence they're anti-aging. So let's talk about what is the best form of vitamin C to use. Well, it is known as L-ascorbic acid. Now that brings us to RoC Skincare. What form of vitamin C do RoC Skincare use? Well, they use what they call 3-0 ethyl ascorbic acid, and that is a modified form of L-ascorbic acid. So vitamin C derivative, which I covered in my last video about La Roche-Posay Antioxidant Serum, vitamin C derivatives are very good for sensitive. So that brings us to the point where ascorbic acid can sometimes be irritating to sensitive skin. So the type of ascorbic acid that RoC Skincare uses, the 3-0 ethyl ascorbic acid, is a modified form of L-ascorbic acid, and that is the best type of vitamin C, the one I just said. So with the modified form that they use, the 3-0 doodah thing, that is a highly stable form of vitamin C, so it's easily absorbed into the skin. Now, what effect does it have on the skin? It has a super brightening, whitening effect on the skin. It has potent anti-aging properties, and it stimulates and boosts collagen and elastin production. So what is the ideal percentage of vitamin C that you should look for in your ingredients? Well, sensitive skin is going to look for a less percentage. With the formulations, it can go anywhere from 5% to 30%. There is no need to go above 20%. They use a 10% active blend, which is ideal actually, because it's not too high and it's not too low. In their 10% active blend, they have a mixture of the ethyl ascorbic acid, peptides, advanced hydrators and antioxidants. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that are building blocks of certain proteins needed by the skin, like collagen and elastin. So peptides are brilliant anti-aging property. So peptides is to help give you firmer and younger looking. To show you the routine, and I'm going to demonstrate me using each product because there is a slight variation in the ingredients and I want to talk about each one individually. So let's get to the routine. Welcome to the RoC Revive and Glow Vitamin C routine. So as you can see, I have dampened my skin. This is step 1. So I'm going to use 2 pumps of the Revive and Glow Gel Cleanser. So I'm going to tell you about this while I wash my face. So this, first of all, massage into damp skin for a minute to get the benefits of the active ingredients. Avoid the eye area, very important. So let me tell you about this. So RoC Skincare says you can use this AM or PM, but as we know, vitamin C is the ideal routine to use for your AM. Let me tell you about this wonderful cleanser. So it's non-comedogenic, it's paraben free, sulfate free, dermatologist tested. I will write the ingredients on the screen in case Google can't translate me properly with my Scottish accent. But anyway, we have the 10% active blend, which is the 3-0 ethyl ascorbic acid, watermelon fruit extract, apple fruit extract, lentil seed extract. We have glycerin, which is an excellent humectant and moisturising, and then we have glycolic acid, which is great for a mild exfoliation because it's in a cleanser form, remember? So the glycolic acid is going to resurface new skin cells, take away all that dull, lifeless skin, the impurities, excess sebum, etc, etc. So this is why this is great for oily skin that has texture, like myself, open pores, excess sebum, etc, etc. So now I'm going to rinse off. So we pat our face dry, and now we're on to step 2, which is this amazing, beautiful serum from RoC Skincare, which is like a luxury serum. Vitamin C, we have our peptides, we have our advanced hydrators, our antioxidants. So this is an antioxidant serum, a vitamin C, everything all in one. So let me tell you about this. So first of all, you take 4 to 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm near the end of mine, I need to get another one. So this is like a light peach colour, gel, water texture, just smooth onto the skin. And let me tell you about the amazing ingredient in this. I'm just going to take another one. So what does this serum do? It's to brighten the skin, firm the skin, gives your skin luminosity, and we have an amazing ingredient in here. I'm going to pop the biological name on the screen now because I am not saying that in my Scottish accent. No way, Jose. So mind you, any accent wouldn't be able to say it, it's a tongue twister. Anyway, the biological name is up there now, but what this is that's in here that's absolutely potent is kakadu plum extract. Now that, believe it or not, has 55 times more vitamin C than Florida oranges. So now you know why I say this is like a luxury vitamin C antioxidant serum. We have everything in here: peptides, advanced hydrators, the 10% active blend, and the kakadu plum extract. So now we are on to step 3, which is RoC Revive and Glow Gel Cream. This gives you 24-hour hydration. Now, look at that beautiful colour of that cream. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, all 3 of these have a slight citrus scent, but I have never had any issues with any RoC Skincare. So, let me tell you about this gel cream. So we have our 10% active blend. We have, which I'm going to pop up on the screen, it's the same again, the ethyl ascorbic acid, the watermelon, the apple, the lentil fruit extract. So let me tell you about this beautiful vitamin C cream, gel cream, while I apply to my skin. So this gives you 24-hour hydration. It's a gorgeous texture. It's a gel cream texture, so it's very lightweight, same as the serum, but very potent. Now the ingredients that we have in here, otherwise for what I've put on the screen, the 10% blend, active blend, we have shea butter, which is beautiful, one of my favourite ingredients. That's anti-inflammatory, very soothing on the skin, extremely hydrating, protects the skin barrier. We have glycerin, which is a humectant, excellent moisturiser, and this cream is to give you luminosity, radiance, brighten the skin. It's hypoallergenic, oil-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and dermatologist tested. Next up, what you can do if you want to keep within the RoC Skincare. Now I have did a review on this. I'm going to use the RoC Multi Correction, which is still in the same line. This is what's very important when you're using vitamin C or retinol.
when it doesn't matter what skincare you're using, sun protection is a must, right? That's very important in skincare. So when you're using your vitamin C, make sure you are using sun protection. So what you can do is this here, I've already did an in-depth review on this, but this is the multi-correction, even tone and lift face, neck and chest cream SPF 30. This also comes in a lotion form, which I am going to try because summer is coming and you know, I really need lighter sun protection. But what this has, a quick roundup of the ingredients, is vitamin E, which is powerful antioxidant again, protects the skin barrier, extremely good for anti-aging purposes. Vitamin E is one of your must in skincare. And we have shea butter again, which is fantastic for hydration, soothing, anti-inflammatory, also good anti-aging benefits. And we have blackberry leaf extract, which is for hyperpigmentation, so this lightens the skin. So this would be the perfect way to end off your vitamin C skincare routine. So now that I have took you through the steps of how to use the vitamin C skincare routine, let me give you my review, if it is worth the investment. Here's my review about RoC Revive and Glow Vitamin C skincare line. Now, I did see a huge improvement in my skin. I had absolutely no irritation whatsoever, and I have very sensitive skin, be it my skin is oily though. So that's where I come to talking about the cleanser. The cleanser was beautiful. I mean, I definitely loved using the cleanser. I felt my skin was so much softer and vibrant because there's a small percentage, remember, of glycolic acid to exfoliate the skin. The only thing I would say is I'm not so sure about dry skin using this, even though RoC Skincare is formulated also for sensitive skin and is hypoallergenic. So with dry skin, I'm not so sure about the cleanser because this is fantastic for people like myself who have textured skin, they have open pores, oiliness, etc. So for oily skin, definitely. So when it comes to the serum was absolutely beautiful, and you've got all them gorgeous other ingredients. You've got the peptides, you've got kakadu plum extract, which actually has 55 times more vitamin C than Florida oranges. So I would say that this is great for all skin types, sensitive, dry, oily, mature, whatever. Absolutely, I've definitely seen a huge improvement with my skin with all of the vitamin C line. When it comes to the cream, absolutely loved it because having oily skin, I'm quite sure you could relate. It's in a gel cream formula, so this was so lightweight but gave you that 24-hour hydration. So I absolutely love this, and remember it's got shea butter in it, which I absolutely love. Shea butter is so fantastic, natural product for the skin. So I would recommend this for all skin types too. Now when it comes down to the price of this vitamin C skincare line, you would be better buying it as a trio because it's $61 for the brightening set. When it comes to individual, this is $12.99. I think this is $32.99 and this is $29.99. So as you can see, it's much more economical to buy it as a set and not separately. So that is my review. That is my routine skincare video. I will say adios, over and out, and thank you for watching. Bye.